Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can add this impact factor finder and journal ranking to your Google Scholar profile. If you will add this Chrome extension to your Google Scholar profile, so your simple this Google Scholar profile would be changed into this colorful view. And as here you can see, not only this, you can also see how much is the total impact factor, how many number of total papers or review paper you have published, how many were first author and how many were co-author. And out of all paper you see here, not only this, you can also see how many belongs to the Q1. So as here you can see in my profile, almost 80% belongs to Q1. And as here you can also see, if we will scroll over to any journal, so you can also see whether it belongs to Q1, Q2 and much more. So the idea is simple. So let me show you how you can add these Chrome extension to your Google Scholar profile. So as here you see, now my profile is not showing this feature, so I will simply go and will show you how you can add this. But before that, I want to remind you that if you are using multiple Google account, let's suppose here you see I am also using multiple Google accounts, so you need to first sign in with that Gmail account on which you have already activated your Google Scholar profile. So once you are in that Gmail account on which your Google Scholar profile is activated, so you can come here and click on this icon which is called extension. So if you see this icon is not here, so simply you can click on this three dot in the Google Chrome. So once you will click on this, so you will see here are the extension. So you need to simply go and visit this Chrome web store. So once you will click on this, so here you see here are the many extensions which you can add them for free. So the first extension we will add, its name is Excitation. So you see here, once I type EXCI, so the first is the Excitation Journal Ranking Impact Factor. So you see here we can simply add it to the Chrome. So it will ask you to change, it will change your all data on all websites, so we will simply just allow this. So once we will click on this, so you see here now it is showing that it is added. So to see if it is added or not, so you can go here and you see here this Excitation extension is already added. So I can go back to my profile. So let's go back to my profile. So you will see here it is not showing my profile, so because I am using different Gmail account, so I will switch back to my original Gmail account on which I am using this. So once I will click on my profile, so you see here now it is showing the journal ranking. And not only this, you see there is one beta version, and based on 40 most cited paper in the last 10 year, although you can also change this data through the setting, but here is the simple view. But if I can show you back, there is still another additional extension. So this extension is called Impact Factor Finder. So we can go back again to this extension tab. The same way, either you can go to this extension and visit web store. So we will now write journal. Let me write the complete name. Its complete name is Impact Factor Finder. So we will write Impact Factor Finder. So you see here is Impact Factor Finder. So the first one, this icon, we can simply click on this and we will click on add to the Chrome. So we will simply add this extension. So it will take just a minute. So you see Impact Factor Finder has been added to the Chrome. So once now it is added, so we can again check whether it is added or not. So you see here Excitation is also added and Impact Factor Finder is also added. So you can simply now refresh this page. So you see here now impact factor finder is also there, and journal ranking extension is also working. So if you don't like and would like to remove again, so you can simply click back here, and from here you can simply go and remove from the Chrome. So hopefully this video will be helpful. If you like the video and like this view, give it a try to this tool. And if you have any question related to this, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.